In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to run ManxPayroll with AVG antivirus installed.
Okay, so now there's a third
So I'm going to go
update.
to my
Before
virtual
we
machine. Let AVG intercept it.
I'm going to show you what we need to do. We go into
that.
AVG.
And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to disable AVG.
And in the menu,
So
go to
settings
section off and exceptions.
That way I can
and there are the two
do
exceptions
initial
that we just
install
set up
ManxPayroll
in the
without
previous
any issues
sessions.
arising from AVG. I'm going to go to one of them and edit it.
Now you'll see that AVG has an exception for everything within a particular folder, which is a very long file path.
ManxPayroll is installed and running quite
What we need to do
So the next thing I'm going to do now
go
is
back,
restart AVG
and
remove
back on these
particular
files.
So run
From beyond
ManxPayroll.
where it says VM6, you'll see a long file path and lots of zeros and all sorts. Just delete off all of that
AVG
and leave.
We'll find
the apps and
quarantine
this
that
code here.
installation of
It won't
ManxPayroll.
necessarily look exactly the same,
So
but
what I want to do now is go into AVG, save that, and you can see that's now taken out all this. Click on the menu. You can delete this one because it's no longer necessary. Now, any installation, anything to do with ManxPayroll, there's an item in the quarantine. I close that. I click on that there now, and I go into ManxPayroll. I go to restore and add an exception.
You'll see there's another update coming through.
So AVG is running,
and there are no interruptions from AVG. It is also running. There we have it.
ManxPayroll shuts down and opens in normal.
The problem that
happens with
it's as simple as that, is that on the next
Thank you for
update
watching.
Will have the same issue, and AVG will intercept it. So I'll demonstrate that, and then I'll show you how to stop any future problems. So I'm going to pause this video and come back in a few minutes.
So I'm back now, and we will now do the next stage. So there's an update to be had. So when I run, sorry, wrong bit there. When I run ManxPayroll, it'll find an update, and AVG will intercept this at some point. There we go, and we've got the same issue that we had before. So I go back into AVG, and I go back to menu, and I look at my statistics. There we have our quarantined item. Check on it, add that exception, and close. And close again. So now I can rerun the ManxPayroll without any problems. So what I'm going to do now is pause the program again and do an update number 3. And in update number 3, I'll show you what to do to stop any future AVG issues. So off I go for a few more minutes.